Okay, for this problem, we are going to look at question number 9 out of module number 3. And so in this problem, we're asked to determine the atmospheric pressure given a specified value in pounds per square inch when we're given that specified value. Okay, so we have our equation here, which is our P is equal to 14.7 e to the negative 0.21x. Okay, so that's what we're given. We're given that here in the problem itself. Okay, now what we need to do is let's substitute in, because we were also given a pressure, right? So we were given an atmospheric pressure P. We need to substitute that into our equation. So we get 8.713 is equal to, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to the blue. That's equal to our 14.7 e to the negative 0.21x. Okay. Now the next step is, right, because we now use this to help us solve for x. So we'll divide. We need to isolate the x. So let's divide both sides by 14.7. Okay. So when we divide both sides by 14.7, we get approximately 0.5927 on our left-hand side. And we're left with e to the negative 0.21x on the right-hand side. Okay. So again, similar to other problems that we've worked, we want to get, have the ability to get that x out of the exponent, so we can actually take the ln of both sides. And that's going to give me the ln of 0.5927 is equal to ln e negative 0.21x. So now that we have that ln, we can use the rules that we've learned about logarithms and pull that exponent down in front of our logarithm here. And so this is going to give us ln 0.5927 is equal to negative 0.21x ln of e. Okay, if you watched the previous video, we know that the ln of e is really just 1. Okay, so now what we want to do is let's get that x by itself, so negative 0.21. Divide both sides by that negative 0.21. And we end up with x is equal to 2.4906. Okay. So that is not, we're not done there, right? Because we still have to convert this into feet, right? Because we're looking for, you know, the pounds per square inch. And we are given our, we have to convert this, right? So we know that by a conversion factor of 5,280, there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. And so we'll take this just one further step and multiply that by the 5,280. Okay. And so we get that x is approximately 13,151. Not really sure why that is running. All right, X equals 13,151, and that is going to be feet, right? So what that tells us is the peak of the mountain with an atmospheric pressure of this 8.713 pounds per square inch is going to be 13,151 feet high.